Okay, today we're going to create a post on canva.com. It's a place where you can create images to upload to your Google My Business page. In order to start, you go to the sign up for free button, and it will bring up a way to sign up. You could either go in through your Google Gmail or sign up with a regular email. But once you have gone through that, then you'll be able to just go ahead and log in. I already have an account, and when I log in, I see this. And so the first thing I want to do is I want to create a design. And so I'm going to choose that button. And a good size is Facebook post. So that brings up a box. And then it gives me a bunch of options here on the side. The first thing I want to do is maybe put a nice background. I'll choose this one. By clicking on it, it filled up the box with the background that I like. Maybe I want to add a photo. And so I have a choice of either going here to photos, doing a search for notary or whatever topic you want to discuss. And then maybe you can do something like this. Click and drag the photo. And there you go. And then you might want to choose a different one. So you can click on a different one. And then it shows up on your square, and you can delete one that you might not want to use by clicking the garbage can. Okay, so then you can click and drag this and put it where you think it's best, and Canva will give you options of like these little squares that show you how to perfectly center it. Maybe you want to add graphics, so you go over here to elements, and then you can choose different graphics. You can search graphics as well. And here we go. So then perhaps you might like this graphic. Shape it and size it to whatever size you'd like. And then maybe you want to add some text. So the easiest way is to choose one of these three options here and then type the information. Maybe happy notary day. And let's put it up here. And then, or maybe you want a more fancy type of font. That's an example of using a preset font. And you can make this smaller by clicking and dragging here on the corners. And then just say sale today, a special for veterans or something like that. If you want to choose a different photo, you can actually upload photos here by using the upload files. Maybe you already have a picture in mind that you want to use, so you just upload it here. For example, I have a couple I've uploaded before. I'm just going to click and drag it. There you go. And there. That's one way to do the post. It's a little bit crowded. And then don't forget, sometimes there's templates. And again, just search for notary. And I came here to templates, and it has a couple of options. If you want, you can just put this on top of here. And then you just, type in the information here. See, and doesn't that look right? So once you have your post, you can go to share. And it's going to give you a lot of different options of what you can do with this post. I usually just download it. And I push the download button, and then I push the download button again after I select what type of download do I want. Do I want a video? Do I want a JPEG? They suggest you download on PNG because the quality of the image will be sharper and better, except the file size might be a little bit bigger as well. I'm going to hit download, and it's downloading it. And then I have to just find it to where I downloaded it. So I'm going to open this. And there's my post. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. Save as, save. So I'm going to close this window, and then I'm going to go to my Google My Business page on Google, right? Your signature notary, my information. Then I scroll down and I say add an update. I manage this page, so that's why it says add an update. And I'm going to say happy Notary Day, November 7th. If I want to add a button, I can say call now. And then the phone will ring for me, but I'm going to leave it as none. And then it says add photos, and I clicked on that. And so going to my desktop, I choose the file, hit open. There's the photo. I can add more photos, or I can just post. It said it's being reviewed. If it's not approved, I'll receive an email. Otherwise, it'll post fine. So I'll hit done. And then there we go, move on. And then here's other posts I've done in the past. But it's good to, post every now and then so people know that your page is active, and so it'll show up on the Google reviews as well. I'm going to close this. So that's how you do a post on Canva. It's free to sign up, and you can get very creative. And if you don't want to be creative, then you can use this template. You can also use templates for like Christmas. And then one thing about this is that sometimes you can even have Canva print out your design and send them to you. So these will make nice little postcards and stuff. So some good ideas here. All right, thank you.